Okay.
Mm.
So so just want to know means how Facebook ads helps me in B2B means mostly in the lead generation, and that is
Mm.
for also B2 lead generation. It's a B2B market. And because presently, yes, I'm already working on Facebook, means Facebook ads, but not a lot of because I'm mostly working on Google ads. Because I'm in B2B market, so I'm working mostly on Google ads. Means that leads are good for us.
Mm.
Facebook is like B2C market, like for e-commerce website.
Mm.
Uh, it's like you have a small product, means you have e-commerce website for anyway general products for everyone. Then you can go for Facebook ad. Means this is my thinking.
Mm.
Uh, but yes, I just want to know means how it will be help me in lead generation for B2B companies, and also okay, this is about company, and also personally, I want to also work on like for affiliate product that
Mm.
I want to two things: affiliate products or affiliate offers, and the digital product. So I know that affiliated products or digital products are for B2C. It's something like we the people who buy our product is like a general people, like digital product. If I'm in digital marketing, so like if I want any SEO related digital product, like if any Grammarly or something like that digital products are very
Ah,
cheap,
mm.
like
Mm.
in 400, 300 you can get that.
Mm.
So there are two things I want to ask. One is in my professional, how it will be can say help me, and
Mm.
also in second thing, that is you can say personal. Actually, this is a passive income we do with
Mm.
affiliate or with the digital product. So how it helps you in two in these two formats. Yeah.
Mm. See, for the B2B product or B2B company, you said, so what will happen is directly you cannot sell. Okay, so
Yes.
directly for that, you need to nurture those customers. Okay, so what you can do is you can create the brand awareness campaign, awareness like the awareness campaign about your product, about your services.
Mm.
You can promote, and there you can create a solid funnel. See, there you cannot give something for free, like the your personal product or digital product, like my course. If you have already seen that I can give it some module for free, and then I created the funnel like that way.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so
Right.
for your personal product, for your digital product, what you can do is you can give something for free, and you can create a good lead.
Mm.
Actually, the qualified lead you can generate, and then you have to nurture those leads for the paid customer. Okay. And for the B2B product, what happened is, so you cannot sell directly, and you cannot give something for free also. I think it is
Yes.
not possible. There are some B2B something, so you cannot give. Suppose someone is selling some car or mobile or any other thing, so they cannot give something for free. So for that reason, what will happen is, so you can create a brand awareness campaign, and about the benefits, about the features, how that product will be helpful for them. You can create a brand awareness campaign, and then you can create a funnel out of it. So gradually, those customers will go to your paid products, or like the costly products, or they will buy your product. So gradually they will go. Initially they will not buy. Suppose there are a car of 10 lakh rupees. So initially they will not go and buy that car. Initially they will.
Yes.
So you have to nurture those customers. You have to take the lead, and how you will take the lead about you. Only thing is the brand awareness. How it is good from the other products, other things. So you can create a awareness campaign, and out of it you can create a good funnel, and from that funnel you will get the lead. Then you have to nurture those leads, and then it will become a paid customer.
Okay. Okay. One question, like in this course, because okay, ads is a one thing,
Hmm.
but the landing page, or you can say website page, because landing page is different than
Hmm.
website service
Hmm.
pages.
Right, right.
So it also include landing pages. Just hold on, because we need some idea. Okay, this is the best landing pages we can use, or something like use cases, something. Just want to ask because
Yeah.
okay, we know the ads because the main conversion is through landing page. If landing page is not good, then okay, through ads, I fetch a lot of audience, okay, right
Mm.
audience, but
Mm.
that is you can steps, or you can say the funnel. The first is ads, the people are coming on landing page, and then they go to the forms, and then they fill up, then we can nurture them after that for the upsell or some courses, okay, or as you do, like you first give a free courses, and then uh, uh, if user like or audience like your courses, they will automatically upgrade, right? So just want to know the landing page thing you included in that or something, just want to know.
See the landing page thing. Actually, I have covered there. Actually, I will update it. So the basic understanding of landing page and funnel I have covered there. I will cover
Okay.
there. Basic understanding of landing page. The see in the world, nobody knows that which one is the best landing page. So
Yes,
what they do
right,
is
right.
the best person, but still we have the best marketers, right? Best marketers like Russell Brunson and Tony Robinson, lots of, but they don't know what is the best landing page. But what they do
Yes.
is they split test all those things. They split test. Suppose
Hmm.
they
Yeah.
create multiple landing page like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, even more than that. They create
Hmm.
landing page and then they find out which one is performing best.
Yes.
Okay,
uh,
then they kill the actually non-performing landing page,
hmm.
and they keep the performing landing page. The which
Right.
landing page is working best for them. So like
uh,
that way, we need to do all those things. Suppose you are creating a landing page, or I also created landing page. There is a speed testing of 3 landing pages. So out of three, I have chosen one landing page that is performing best for me.
hmm.
So in that way, what I did is so I kept that landing page only, and other landing page I have stopped.
Okay.
So
And
like that way.
also, yeah, also I think if you do computer analysis means the ads already running on particular keywords or right, like any
Uh,
software development in India or something like that, or
yeah, yeah.
particular region. So
Mm.
we can also analyze the competitors landing page, and we can get an idea or inspired by that, and we can create that, right? Because they
Right, right.
already
Uh,
running
that is
that.
what.
Yeah, that is
Yeah,
what.
yeah. That is what we need to do. We need to analyze. We need to learn from the our competitors how they are doing good. So those things we need to actually learn, and then the that is what I am trying to say, that we need to test it, and we
Hmm.
need to find out the which one is performing best for ourselves. So that we need to
Okay.
understand. So
Yeah.
basic
Right. Okay. Hmm.
understanding of landing page and funnel I have covered in the course. Okay, and in details I have a plan that I will create a detailed funnel building course, funnel and landing
Hmm.
page building course. I have a plan, but in future I have some sort of time. So now right now I cannot do it. So initially I'm doing this only Facebook ads course, and let me complete that course only. And in future I will create a detailed course, even the advanced course I will create about the funnel and landing course.
Okay.
So you will get the
Okay.
basic idea there. Yeah.
Right, right. But this course is for beginners or also for experts? Just one. Means
See,
for present course.
I never say even myself that I am an expert. I would say I'm
Right.
a specialist.
I
So
experienced
I
that.
can,
Yeah,
yeah,
I
yeah.
can.
I can do most of the things, but I cannot say that
Hmm.
I know everything. So
Yeah,
I
understand.
think based on my experience, I think it is not an expert course, but it is advanced course. Advanced, the near to expert you will learn. I think.
Okay. Okay. If anyone join any company and if he has all knowledge like through
Hmm.
your course, so it is enough to anyone join any company and say yes, I am a Facebook ad expert. I can know this knowledge. So
Yeah,
can
yeah,
he
yeah, yeah.
easily
Yeah,
execute,
the
right?
most of the things I have covered here. Even in future, if something new is coming and update, like I have a plan that the AI portion I will add. The AI, how we can take the leverage of AI, and then
Hmm.
we can create Facebook. That thing I will add. So this is the
Okay.
thing, that thing I will add also. It is not in the module, but I will update it. Gradually, I will update it.
Okay. And also one thing actually,
Hmm.
uh, uh, obviously any ads need to be conversion. Like we initially what put the pixels in the website, right? But after that, the conversion, like okay, this is if I run the ads for e-commerce site, then there is a lot of like card, then there is a complete like the conversion. Actually, I just want to know it covers in this of conversion thing, like
Hmm.
okay, we can know a conversion in Facebook also, in
Hmm.
Facebook dashboard also, that the events. Okay, I
Hmm.
talk about
Yeah, yeah,
event
yeah.
now.
That is covered. That is
That is
covered.
covered also.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Based on that, even the detailed option is not there, but I will update it. But event is covered already. Suppose you have
Okay.
5 pages and there are one sales page, one is add to cart page, thank you
Hmm.
page, and any bump offer page. So how you can create the event? So that is already covered.
Your course means, just last question.
Yeah,
What is the difference between your course and other courses?
yeah.
That's the last question. Means USP. What is the
Difference,
USP?
see, if you take 5 courses, na, so there, I think there you will get 5 different things, at least 5 different things you will get. It is because I also took some courses and there I got
Hmm.
lots of difference. Difference means, see, everyone's teaching style is something different. Knowledge is almost same. Everything is like how to create Facebook pixel. It is same. It is the same thing. But you how you are convincing to your student, that is more important. How simply you are explaining, that is more important, I think. So everyone will say about the Facebook pixel, but how they are teaching you, that is different. So I think my style is something different and their style, of course, will be different, maybe advanced, maybe expert, like this way. It will be way. Everyone's teaching style, everyone explaining style will be different, no? So
Okay,
the
and
subject is
one
same.
thing
Yeah.
yes. So okay, last thing, just want to know,
Yeah.
if means, I know a lot of people buy course from you. So
Hmm.
just want to know, there is sometime okay, we done the course and we use that knowledge, but sometime there is a out of
Out of, what is it? Rahul, I cannot hear you, Rahul. Rahul, I think I cannot hear you. You need to unmute yourself. Yeah. Yes, Rahul. Audible,
yeah.
Rahul?
Sorry.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Tell
No,
me.
yeah. Actually, there is some call is coming, so
Okay,
just
okay, okay,
emergency.
okay, okay.
Okay, so just last thing is like, if we get some issues in the future, so can we sometimes I reach to you, okay, this happened, so can you help me in the future
Yeah,
sometimes
yeah, yeah.
if I
Yeah,
get
definitely.
in a ad,
Definitely.
any ad, like if I go for any ad like B2C or B2B and I say, okay,
Yeah, yeah.
miss,
Anytime.
if it's not working, miss, it's not like that I always asking you, but sometimes, okay, it's not working, which is a right audience or something, lookalike audience, something like
Yeah, yeah.
any
No
issue.
problem. No problem, no problem. You can ask me anytime, no problem. But if it is not possible to pick out your call and all, you can text me
No,
and
no.
I
Yeah.
will join with you. So that
Okay.
is
So
that
like
that's for sure.
I okay. Means like I will message you on WhatsApp, right?
Mm. Yeah, yeah.
Right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, that you
Right.
can
Right.
do also. So that will be done. Even I have a plan, as I told, even the landing page, you can see that after uploading all this module, I will come live and even each module I will explain. Especially the
Okay.
difficult module like Pixel, even as you said, even
Hmm.
thing, Pixel and all these
Actually,
things like the landing
actually,
page.
e-commerce events is very important.
Mm-hmm. So all this actually the complicated thing, I will come live and I will explain all those things that I have also planned. So no problem. And anytime you can call me, you can text me. I will help as much as possible.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, so I think I'm done with the
Okay.
questions. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So let's see your. I go to your course again and try. I mean, so definitely buy it. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Yep.
Thank you, Rao. Thank you, thank you,
Yeah. Thank you for your time.
thank you, thank you. Yes, Mustafa. हेलो मुस्तफा, am I audible? आवाज आ रहा है? हाँ, थोड़ा अनम्यूट कीजिए फिर बोलिए, क्योंकि ये आप म्यूट में हो। कहाँ से हो आप? हेलो मुस्तफा। यस, मुस्तफा कुछ बोलना है? वुड यू लाइक टू से समथिंग, क्योंकि ये 11:45 में ये सेशन क्लोज हो जाएगा, सो इफ यू वांट टू आस्क समथिंग, कुछ अगर पूछना है तो यू कैन आस्क, अदरवाइज 11:45 में ये क्लोज हो जाएगा एक्चुअली। तो अगर आपको कुछ पूछना है या।
हाँ हेलो, मुझे पूछना है लेकिन
हाँ,
आप जो भेजा ना, आप पहले
हाँ,
बार जो भेजा था लास्ट वीक में, वो
हाँ,
नहीं खुल रहा है। आप जो एक तो भेजा था ना फेसबुक का, एक तो कोर्स का बारे में, फ्री कोर्स,
हाँ,
वो
हाँ, हाँ।
वो नहीं खुल रहा है ना।
नहीं खुल रहे, क्या एरर आ रहा है?
यार अभी तो हमको याद नहीं आ रहा, लेकिन मैं तो कोशिश किया, कुछ नहीं हो रहा है।
अच्छा, अच्छा। आप एक काम कीजिए, मेरा व्हाट्सएप नंबर है, मैं
आपका
नंबर दे दे रहा
व्हाट्सएप
हूँ।
नंबर?
मैं नंबर दे दे रहा
ओके
हूँ, ये नंबर पे मेरे को व्हाट्सएप कर दीजिए। हाँ, क्या प्रॉब्लम आ
ओके।
रहा है आपका?
हाँ।
डिटेल्स लाइक मेल आईडी, आपका नेम और मोबाइल नंबर लेके मेरे को ये कर दीजिए, व्हाट्सएप कर दीजिए। मैं देखता हूँ क्या
ओके
प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है। ठीक है, मैं
ओके।
व्हाट्सएप नंबर दे दे रहा हूँ। मैं चैट में दे दिया व्हाट्सएप नंबर।
ओके हाँ ठीक है, मुझे दिखाई दे रहा है व्हाट्सएप नंबर 8240442856। यही है
एट टू
ना?
फोर जीरो डबल फोर टू एट फाइव सिक्स
वेट वेट वेट, 8240442856।
राइट, राइट, राइट। ये नंबर पे मेरे को आपका डिटेल्स भेज दीजिए और ये कीजिए अगर कुछ एरर का कुछ स्क्रीनशॉट है तो मेरे को भेज दीजिए, मैं वो सॉर्टेड कर दूंगा। ठीक है।
ओके।
अच्छा, और कुछ पूछना है? आपका क्या, कौन सा
हाँ
बिजनेस
तो
है?
आप, मेरा एक्चुअली हैंड एम्ब्रॉयडरी का बिजनेस है, ठीक है,
अच्छा,
हैंड
अच्छा,
एम्ब्रॉयडरी सर्विस। ओके, नॉट रिटेल सेल।
अच्छा, अच्छा,
तो यही है, मतलब हम लोग का बिजनेस। लेकिन हम हम लोग का एक वेबसाइट भी है। ओके।
अच्छा, अच्छा,
लेकिन उसका प्रमोशन का तो कोई सिस्टम नहीं है, उसीलिए मैं मतलब इंटरेस्टेड हुई है फेसबुक के लिए। ओके, फेसबुक
अच्छा, अच्छा,
मतलब एड एड के लिए मैं इंटरेस्टेड हूँ।
अच्छा, अच्छा। ठीक है, वो बेसिक कोर्स देखिए, बेसिक कोर्स में आपको बहुत कुछ पता चल जाएगा। एंड अगर आपको मतलब इफ यू थिंक दैट और डिटेल्स आपको जानना है तो यू कैन एनरोल द पेड कोर्स ऑल्सो। पहले वो फ्री वाला कोर्स कीजिए, कोर्स करके देखिए माने इज इट हेल्पफुल और नॉट। ठीक है। फिर अगर आपको डिटेल्स में जानना है तो यू कैन एनरोल द पेड कोर्स। अदरवाइज आप क्या कर सकते हैं, अगर कुछ हेल्प लगेगा तो मेरा व्हाट्सअप नंबर तो दे दिया, यू कैन टेक्स्ट मी,
ओके
आई आई विल हेल्प यू। ओके।
ओके।
थैंक यू।
यूर वेलकम।
यस सैंडी, वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम? So Sandy, this session will be closed at 11:45. So before that, if you want to ask something, you can. Otherwise, in the chat box, I have shared my WhatsApp number, so you can text me. Otherwise, if you are in the group, so there also, oh, I think you cannot post there, but you can text me for your any question and all. So I think you are unable to join. So by default, it will be closed 11:45.